Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog.
Come on. See you later. Have fun at school.
Put the ball down, mate, let's go. Have a good day at school. What's today, Harley? It's not Friday.
Yeah, it is. Right here in the front. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday. My day.
Kids are at the bus stop. Cup of coffee time. Good morning. It is the 10th of September. Heading out to the truck this morning. Got a few jobs to do out there. Catch up on some little jobs. We're sort of running out of stuff. We need to get some supplies in town, but we're trying to go to town once a week. Otherwise we go to town every day and it just gets a bit frustrating. We also have to go down to Nana and Grandad's at some stage. We found out yesterday they got a water tank coming they need a hand to put in at some stage. We just don't know when. So we'll keep an eye on the road for a water tank going past. Right, in here, let's get this diesel heater cranked up.
Turn some lights on, man. Oh, that's a water tank, is it? What? No, it's going. Oh, that was the man. He is gone. He gone. No, not stopping there.
We should check the
Yeah.
diesel outside, see if it leaked overnight.
Oh yes.
See what we got here.
Is it still leaking?
Still leaking.
Ah. Back to the drawing board. Just have to buy a new tank, I think.
Yeah. Get rid of this huckery system we tried to do on the cheap.
It's a good idea at the time.
We should have done better.
Oh well, it served its purpose to get the diesel heater all set up anyway.
Yeah. Let's put a new tank in there. Morning of no more gapping, is it?
Yes, we've decided to fill some holes.
We're going to run out, but it means we'll know how much we need to buy when we go to town on
This
Thursday.
is our last tube of this one, eh?
Yeah.
Well, I don't even know if I've got enough to do this gap. Right. What else needs filling?
We need to do that sink bench, eh? Nah, that's it. Empty. Why is it sticking to the wall like that? Go see what the plan is with this water tank.
Yes.
Yep.
When did we mow them? Only a week ago, eh?
About a week ago.
But we didn't mow them last time we mowed ours the other day. Right, you got your bit of that to try.
Right, so tank is not coming till this afternoon by the sounds.
Yeah.
So that's good. Cup of coffee, back to the truck.
Test out. I got a shower curtain. Pinched that from down there.
I got wood.
I just want to see how it hangs and the measurements for it. What size we need to get. And
I got wood.
You got wood. To try in the top. It's not. Oh, I don't know how that works.
I do. I'm going to go get these nails out.
Alright.
Need a hammer for.
Alrighty, so that must be only 180 high because it doesn't come down very far. And this is our really going to get trouble. Well, it pushes through with heat. Alright. Not really. I think it's got worse. So this must be 180 in width, so if we go 200 should be just enough, I think.
Yeah.
Get out, I'm having a shower!
Do you want to have a look at this bit of suckery timber I've got and see how it looks like?
Oh, it looks weird with the shower curtain in there. Right, so that is going, hopefully, if it fits up there to see how it looks. Oh, what do you reckon?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Is that going to be too big?
Looks too big for our small space,
Yeah, it does, eh? Not like it's not. It's house size. Do they come smaller than that?
Sort of. We need smaller, right? It's too big.
I know. But yes, definitely need a 2 metre length shower curtain by 2 metres, 2 metres by 2 metres, which is hard to find.
Very hard to find.
They all have 180 and some by 180 by 2, but not 2 by 2.
Nah. Hurrah, hurrah.
What?
Something, something, 2 by 2.
The ants.
Well, very slow morning. Lunchtime.
Yep.
Overworked, underpaid.
Seriously underpaid.
Time for lunch. Waiting. Let's seal all this up properly before the rain gets here.
Now I'm just going to mush it in.
Look a bit tidier. Yeah, that already looks better than the bloody grey stuff that was on there. And then while you've got it out, we should do the back door. The rest of the back door where it's got those couple of little air pockets.
Oh, yeah. Why are you going past my middle?
I forgot how tall you weren't.
It's really... What about around these screws?
Whoa! That's rain.
Might have to close this up. Yep. Quick. Quick.
Yeah. We got that done just in time.
Quick! Oh, you're getting all your electrics wet. It was like drip, drip.
Yeah. 545 by 100 for the first bit.
What's that doing? What are you doing, Ben? You just started measuring stuff. What are you doing?
I'm going to make a door to cover the microwave up.
Okay, and what did you just measure then?
I measured the top flap to go around that bit of steel.
Is that, how far is 100 down to about there?
Yeah.
That'll do it.
That'll do it.
Because there's that other big bit for the door.
Yeah.
Actually.
Let's see if that slightly wonky looking hole fits.
It's a bit wanky. Sweet, probably come down too much. It's alright
Yeah.
though. It fits, it fits.
Right, now we've got to screw it in. Oh.
Right, so Grandad's water tank turned up. We didn't see it go past because it went round the wrong way on the road.
Yeah, coming a long way.
So it's there, now needs a hand sorting out the guttering.
Definitely bigger than I thought it was going to be.
It is a big tank. I thought it would be like that high.
Yeah. Oopsie.
Oh, we have to tighten the other one up.
Yeah.
Tap.
Tap. Trim it. Yeah, we're looking too long. Say 30-40 mil of.
Bang it on top of it.
Keep reminding Mum of that.
strong, isn't it?
We'll just put a bloody screw in there to hold it there.
So it can't slide in.
Try to do sawdust, I think. Try to bang something up. Don't glue it.
Yeah, does that look?
It's got a bit of fall on it, yeah.
Stop it falling right in.
Yep.
Yep. Job done. Right, we're back.
So I've got to stop watching YouTube now.
Yes.
Back to work.
Putting this up. We're going to pre-drill some holes so we don't stuff this up, eh, Ben?
I don't really make mistakes, but I'll pre-drill it anyway. We went a bit long on that one. Right. Next bit. 360.
360.
540. Sweet.
You want to go the other way around, don't you? That way.
No, I want that good edge at the bottom.
Oh. Just make sure that's on the
Yes, yeah, it's not there. Which is good.
Is there a battery in that, Ben?
I did bring the battery over, I think.
Makeshift cabin into arch.
Sit in there okay.
Oh, that would be alright though.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, because I overcompensated that way.
Come down now.
Wow, that looks so different.
Cupboard door is done, less a magnet and a inside latch and a handle.
Oh yeah, and the magnets go to hook it back, so it's going to have a magnet in there and then one on there, so a magnet up there so we can use the microwave. Yay! Must be a cup of coffee time after that.
Must be. That manual labour. That looks good though, tidies that whole area up and
Yeah,
tidies the microwave. I'll get the kids. Good cup of coffee.
I haven't finished mine.
Oh, mine's gone. Back soon! Happy days, bet the bus. Awesome. 5 to 4. Shouldn't be too far away though. How was school?
Good.
Good.
Charlie in the front. He's not, no.
He swapped with Kira from last Friday.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's Kira's turn, it's Tuesday. Kira does Monday, Tuesday. Peace and quiet is over. Everyone is home.
Ow! Ow! It was always over because Con was home.
He's been quiet all day, but now Finn's home. That's the end of the peace and quiet.
No.